All right, and we're back. Let me see where we at. All right. How can I highlight my waist? Shopping for swimwear and can't really find one that cinches my waist. I like this question. I definitely want to give you a heads up. If you are wearing this swimwear and you want to have a cinch waist like this woman, um, I definitely, if you were in my office, I would say, are you going to be eating? Or are you going to be swimming? Because if you're going to be eating and you want that cinch effect, I definitely want you to be mindful. And I think a lot of people will give you all these options of what to do, what to wear, and you're tight and cute and mute. And then when it's time to eat or you're drinking too much, now you kind of need to take a bathroom break or leave early because now your clothes are just tight and cutting off your circulation. So that's number one. I just truly like to be realistic. And again, I deal with everyday people, but there's just more high profile or high achieving ones that are low profile. Um, but what I like to do is definitely deal with color blocking. I love just creating different illusions with color blocking. If you are into doing that, the monochromatic, or just picking colors that are bright where you need more volume at on your body, and then toning it down where it's a little bit more volume with your shape wise. That is one way. You can also do play around with wraps. That'll be cute. And also just one piece. One pieces are cute as well. Do not get a one piece with a belt. This is where a lot of people will try to add a belt, but what people don't realize is you are creating another detail. You're creating another line for people to kind of just dart their attention to. So when you just have one clean cut line, that is less attention drawn to the detail. I'm sorry, one less thing that they have to worry about of the flaw that you're trying to conceal or hide, or whatever the case might be. Or if you're someone like her, let me move these clothes from the green screen. Um, Having this part right here is also a great way to kind of just have that cinch waist when you have a two piece that is high waisted and has this cinched kind of line. But again, I want you to remember, if you're going to eat, and I mean eat, not like finger foods, but eat, and get your nice little drink on, I want you to kind of remember, because it is summertime, it is pool parties, cookouts, brunches, and all this and that. I'm just trying to be very, very realistic for you to keep in mind, all right?